In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on Sounds and Vibration. Now choose Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your device fully, leaving only vibrations. You can also hit Ring on the left and use this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to switch it off or turn it on. Scroll, click on this section called Haptics, and use this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for feedback, touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!